Today we'll talk about how can you create it on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on down, just click in this sign. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on create the here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here, and here you add create it here. So then you click here on OK here, then it's going to create with you here on your AnkiDroid app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.